Are you struggling with ventilating the rough part of a full lace? I mean the joint part of a full lace, both the dart area, the back side, the front side. Okay, if you are struggling with ventilating it, you don't know how to go about it, or you are still struggling, okay, you find it difficult because of how rough it is, then this video is for you, because I'm going to show you guys how and the easiest way you can do this. So stick with me to the end of this video where I'm going to show you guys everything. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are yet to subscribe, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Okay, so the first part we are going to do now is the back side, okay, the rough parts and the back side before you get to the center part. This part I'll advise when ventilating it, you should please make sure that your knots are clear. Like, place your mannequin head or your lace in a way that you can easily see the knots and ventilate it vertically. Okay, ventilate it using the vertical method, just like what you can see me do now. This is the easiest way you can get this right. I'm talking from experience, guys. So just go vertically, but make sure you can see the knots clearly. So depending on what pattern of ventilation you are using, either you are using the one line one hole, two lines one hole, or which other one, any other one you choose. But for these rough parts, I mean the back side, okay, while venting it, please ventilate it vertically. This way you will get it properly, okay, so that when you are parting it, you won't have any issue while parting. So I am done with this back side. Okay, I'll just show you guys how you can do it. Like I said, for the back rough side, the back joint side, please use the vertical method to ventilate it. Okay, so now I'm going to show you guys the front side now. So this is the place before where the darts, you know, full lace normally have these double darts, one by the right, one and the other by the left. So this is the place before the darts. So when I'm ventilating this particular place, I normally go slantly, as if I'm doing the diagonal pattern. Okay, don't worry, you guys will see exactly what I mean. So I vent it like I'm going vertically, slantly, that is diagonally. That's how I vent this place. If you follow exactly what I'm showing you guys here now, you will not find these rough parts, because I notice some persons find it difficult to do, okay, to do the rubber side, the rubber part of the full lace and the rough part. I've already made a video on how you can ventilate the rubber part. Please, if you've not seen that particular video, check my channel. I'll still drop the link to that particular one in the description of this particular video. So see how I'm venting it. I'm going straightly, because when you watch closely, you see the lines on this area now is slanted. Okay, it's slanted. So when you are ventilating, always follow the lines, study the lines closely, so you know what to do. So this is just how I do this area. Then moving over to this dart side, I mean the darts, it's called darts, I don't know, I mean the two kind of folded area in the front, at the front of a full lace. Okay, that's what I mean. So when I get to this place now, how I normally vent it, I go vertically or horizontally. Okay, remember at the back I normally use the vertical pattern, then the front now before the darts I go slantly, that is diagonally. Then for this side now, the darts area, I go either vertical or horizontal. So when I'm done with this side now, I'll still show you guys how you can do the parts after the darts before you get to the next darts. Okay, before you get to the left side of where the other dart is located. I don't know if you guys understand, just follow through the video, you understand. So this place now, I do use the vertical or horizontal pattern to do it. Okay, so when you follow this video, just do the way I show you guys in this video. You won't find any parts. I've actually done a very detailed video on how you can ventilate a full lace, different ways you can ventilate a full lace, okay, how you can ventilate the rubber parts, the hook parts, now the rough parts. Okay, so I've done a very detailed video on this. If you are still confused, okay, still let me know in the comment section. I will attend to all your questions. If you know you are finding any value from this video and you are yet to click that subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Please do so. Okay, so this is just how I vent the rough. So guys, this is simply the easiest way, okay, the most detailed way you can vent the rough parts of a full lace. Okay, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. What do you think about this video? So guys, did you learn something new? Okay, did you get to learn something new? I hope this video solves you guys' problem. If you are still struggling to do this, I hope you find this video helpful, because that's what matters to me. What matters for me to create valuable videos for you guys. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.